So you're thinking about moving to Dublin, California? Well, in this video, I'm gonna go over exactly what it will cost you to live here in Dublin. I'm gonna take you through 3 different homes and 3 different price points so you can see what may fit your budget. And then if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about submitting an offer here in Dublin. And we're gonna get into it right now. All right, so first things first, we're gonna head to coldwellbankerhomes.com. Now, I like to use coldwellbankerhomes.com better than Zillow, Redfin, or any of those home search sites because it ends up giving me nice little pinpoints of all of the properties that are in that particular price range and where they are located. And so you can see an entire map of the town with different price points. So it's really great if you are searching and the biggest thing that's going to dictate your search is the price. This is a great website to use. Now, we're gonna go to coldwellbankerhomes.com and we're gonna search 3 different homes today. First, we're gonna start with the $1 million home, then we're gonna go to the $1.5 million range, and then you're gonna see what you can get for $2 million. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, here is the map of Dublin. Dublin is separated into the west side and the east side. And it is separated, each side is separated by Doherty Road here. All right, so on the west side here, we are looking at the first $1 million property, which is 4491 Brannigan Street, which is a condo. All right, so here we are. So this is a condo, it's a 3,400 square foot condo. The HOAs here will run you about $250. It was built in 2004 and it's a 3-bedroom and 3.5 bath. As you can see, it's nicely updated, although it's not updated any more than it is. Everything's original, but it's pretty new. It's built in 2004, so not too old. Okay, so this is a 3-story. All right, we're going to go back to our search. We're going to look at a $1.5 million home. So this is what a $1.5 million home will get you. Mariposa, so 7701 Mariposa Lane. This is a detached home, although it has, it's a PUD, but check that out. So it's 3 stories again. This is a 4-bedroom and 3-bath, and it does have a 2-car garage. But it is 2,000 square feet, and it doesn't have much of a lot size. But as you can see, this was built in 2013, so it's very new, nicely updated, stainless steel appliances. So Dublin was one of the largest or fastest growing cities in the nation, actually. So it's like over doubled in size in the last 5 years. So there's a lot of new builds here in Dublin. Alrighty. So that's what 1.5 will get you. Almost a brand spanking new house, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with, 3 bath with a 2-car garage. Alright, there you have it. Okay, and this is located in the Emerald Vista community, which is a very nice community, a newer community. There you are. All right, and let's show you what a $2 million property will get you here in Dublin. Going back to our trusty map here. All right, so they just lowered the price on this property. It's the property is 11159 Brittany Lane in Dublin. It was originally listed at 1.9. All right, so let's just see. It was like 1.95, so just under $2 million. So this home is a fairly large home. This is actually located East Dublin. This is in the Bordeaux Estates. But it's a single-story home, which is absolutely lovely. It was built in 2003. It is 3,254 square feet, and the lot size is 11,635 square feet. But it is a 4-car garage, or excuse me, 4-bedroom house, 3.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. And as you can see, it looks fairly original. Okay. But you are paying for the location because look at that view. Is that gorgeous or what? And the master's fairly large. And it does have a fireplace in the master. So this is, you do get a lot of square footage here in Dublin, in the $2 million range. So basically it will cost you about 2.5 here in San Ramon or Danville. And there you have it. A $1 million home, a $1.5 million home, and exactly what a $2 million home will get you here in Dublin. Now, if you're curious about how to get your offer accepted here in Dublin, just to let you know, the average days on market in Dublin is 11 days, and homes are selling for about still 6% over list price. The market is still hot here, and things haven't slowed down a bit because inventory is so tight. All right, so if you're wondering how to get your offer accepted here in Dublin, Dublin is hot. We have, as you can see up here, we've got about half of a month of inventory, which is basically 2 weeks of inventory. The median home price is $1.55 here, and homes are selling, as far as days on market, we've got 10 days on market. So homes are selling very quickly. And homes are in general selling about 8% over list price. So hopefully that helps you, and if you need any further assistance or any further help, I would love to help you make that smooth move and help you get your offer accepted here. And I'll see you in the next video.
If you found this video helpful, then click that like button and shoot me a comment in the comment section and let me know what your budget is, and I'll be happy to show you any homes in those price points. And be sure to subscribe below or tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to hear about the current market here in Dublin. I'm Michelle Lewis with the Michelle Lewis Real Estate Team, and I get calls from people just like you looking to move to Dublin, and I absolutely love it. So if you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All of my information is in that description below, and I'd love to help you make that smooth move to Dublin, California.